never done this before, so I don't know how much, if when I hammer this down and then send it through the rolling mill, how big it will spread. But I'd like to get 3 pendants out of it. So cool. Sterling silver. Holy hell. I need a heavier hammer. And there it is. There's my little piece of ingot rolled out. It took me 3 days because I have a low back injury, and I really only made micro adjustments with my rolling mill so that I didn't have a whole lot of pulling or upward pulling force that would have thrown my back out. I know it. So that's one thing to consider if you're thinking about getting a rolling mill to roll out sheet, is if you do have any low back injury, it can really take a toll on your low back. But my back's getting better, and maybe in another couple of weeks I'll be able to do this with a little more force. But I'm pretty happy with my little ingot. There are really no cracks. I didn't have to sand or saw anything out along the way. There is one impurity, I think. I noticed on my last anneal a little bubble showing up right here. So I think I'll just eliminate that. But it's a void in the metal, and if you don't hammer it before you start rolling it, you'll end up with all these voids or bubbles that pop up in your sheet. So all in all, I'm pretty happy with it. I did send a message to Pepe Tools to see if they sell their electric don't even know what it's called, but the electric motor for the rolling mill, if they sold that separately. I don't know, we'll see. It's probably going to be way off my budget, but maybe worth looking into. Have a good day.